Welcome back, champions of the skies and seekers of the unseen forces that shape flight. Your support powers this journey into the heart of aviation secrets. And today, we're unraveling a mystery that separates mere flying machines from aerodynamic legends: the best lift-to-drag ratio. You may have heard pilots whisper about glide distances or engineers obsess over efficiency numbers. But what really is this lift-to-drag ratio, and why does it matter so much that it could mean the difference between soaring glory and a deadly fall? Imagine this: an aircraft slicing through the sky. It battles two invisible forces: lift, the force that holds it up, and drag, the relentless resistance trying to slow it down. The lift-to-drag ratio measures just how well that aircraft fights to stay aloft without being dragged back. The higher the number, the more glide distance you get for every drop in altitude. Simple, yet critical. Now here's the twist. The best lift-to-drag ratio is the point where the aircraft is at its most efficient, generating the most lift for the least drag. It's the sweet spot, a fragile balance, and hitting it means your plane can glide farther, fly smoother, and save precious fuel. So who nails this balance perfectly? Enter the world of gliders, those sleek, silent hunters of the sky. Some gliders boast LD ratios exceeding 60, letting them glide for miles without an engine. Picture soaring like a bird for hours on just the faintest whisper of rising air. Pure aerodynamic poetry. But what about the mighty fighter jets? The legendary F-22 Raptor, a stealthy king of the skies, has a best LD ratio of about 9 to 10, much lower than gliders, but impressive given its speed and agility demands. Fighters sacrifice pure glide efficiency for unmatched maneuverability and power, trading off lift to drag for dominance in battle. Commercial airliners fall somewhere in between, with ratios around 15 to 20, designed to cruise efficiently over thousands of miles, balancing passenger comfort and fuel economy. Here's why this matters. When engines fail or fuel runs low, knowing your aircraft's best lift-to-drag ratio could be the difference between a safe glide to a runway or a fatal plunge. For pilots, it's a secret weapon, a life-saving number etched deep into their training. So next time you look up at a jet screaming through the clouds, remember, behind its roar lies a hidden dance of forces, and the best lift-to-drag ratio is the silent hero keeping it aloft. Keep your eyes on the skies, heroes, because understanding the invisible forces of flight brings us closer to mastering the ultimate frontier, the freedom of the air.